guys, today we will learn some of the questions which will help the travelers to travel in Goa. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my next video. So let's see the first question. How far is the bus stop? In Konkani we ask is bus stop कितल्या पयस आसा? बस स्टॉप कितले पयस आसा? कितले पयस means how far. Let's see the next question. Where is this bus going? In Konkani we ask is ही बस खंय वयता? ही बस खंय वयता? खंय means where, वयता means going. Now see the next question. Which bus goes to Mapsa? In Konkani we ask is खंयची बस म्हापसा वयता? खंयची बस म्हापसा वयता? खंयची means which, वयता means going. Now let's see the next question. Suppose you want to go to HELLOOOO beach. In Konkani we ask is HELLOOOO beach खंय आसा? HELLOOOO beach खंय आसा? खंय means where. Now let's see the next question. Where can I catch the bus to HELLOOOO? In Konkani we ask is HELLOOOO वचपाक म्हाका बस खंय मेळटली? HELLOOOO वचपाक म्हाका बस खंय मेळटली? खंय means where. The next question. Can you get me a taxi? In Konkani we ask is म्हाका एक टॅक्सी हाडटा? म्हाका एक टॅक्सी हाडटा? म्हाका means for me, एक means one. The next question. Have we arrived in Vasco? In Konkani we ask is Vasco पावली आमी? आमी means we. पावली means arrived. Now let's see the next question. How much fare to go to the airport? In Konkani we ask is एअरपोर्टाक वा विमानतळाक वचपाक कितले भाडे घेता? एअरपोर्टाक वा विमानतळाक वचपाक कितले भाडे घेता? वचपाक means to go, कितले means how much, भाडे means fare. The next question. Where is the railway station? In Konkani we ask is railway station खंय आसा? Railway station खंय आसा? खंय means where. Next question. How do I go there? In Konkani we ask as Thai how kaso ochu? Thai how kaso ochu? Thai means there, how means I, kaso means how. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.